start recording. Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Hey. So we are going to look at Formlabs printers and how to set up a print with one of the Formlabs printers. So we have two here at the to the left from us. So the Form 2 and Form 3. The Form 2 is loaded with white resin. The other one is with black. And Ranji has a file to print. So let's switch over to desktop capture, like so. Okay. So we start out by using the Formlabs software. So here there is the previous job a little bit open, but no worries. So now, in order to before you start setting up your model, we need to choose the printer. So there are two. So each of them, they have a different serial name, and they are usually quite playful. So the white one is Knowing Prairie, and the black one is Nature Rays. So so which one do you want to use? Which color? Black or white?
White.
White. Okay, so for the white one, we need to select the Knowing Prairie, so which is already selected. So we see that so it has a white V4 cartridge installed, and then so for the material settings that we want to use, we need to set them up in the same way as the cartridge, as the installed cartridge. So we need to use white resin, and also need to respect the version number of the resin. And here we can also select the layer thickness, so the Form 2 can print with 50 microns or 100 microns, so of course we are going to choose the finest resolution, which is 50 microns, hit apply. Now we are ready to import the model. So File, Open, we have the model already on the desktop. And so it's loading. Ta-da! It's quite large. Do you want it to be so large?
No, the thing is, I tried to reduce the size, and it was 5,000 meters size, so I reduced it to something around.
Is this representing a cobra?
Yes.
Ah.
4 centimeters it should be.
It's kind of a small snake temple?
Oh no, this is Shivaling.
What
this
is
this? This is the Shakti, which is like the female part, and this is the Shivaling, which is the male. So it's like the male-female combination.
And then there's a cobra in between. And
yes, the cobra is from the head of Shiva.
And what is this?
It's the weapon.
It's the weapon.
Wow. With a drum. There is a drum.
It doesn't matter really how big this is, right? So we're gonna scale it down.
The thing is, if I want to pour milk on this thing also.
But do you want to drink that milk? You shouldn't, I guess.
No, it's not for drinking.
It's for a ritual.
Yes.
Sorts. Okay, that's interesting.
But should it be 75? No, this is now 7 centimeters. So it's going to be.
How high do you want it to be?
About this high?
This is like 8 centimeters. Like, let's measure it.
Yeah. Yeah, about this much, maybe.
Where do we have?
Around 8 is fine, I think. Yeah, 8 is 10, no? Yeah, it should be around 8.
So here we have some reference. Let's see. This is inches already. Meters. This is 10. Yeah, approximately 10.
Yeah.
So 100 millimeters.
Yeah.
This is quite big, anyways, for this sort of printer. Maybe let's make it.
Let's make it smaller.
Let's make it 8 millimeters, like so.
Sure.
So yeah, when we have done this, then we need to take care of the orientation. So the orientation has to be specific for these kind of printers because of the way it is printing. So it's printing top down. And it needs to stick to the build plate first in order to be able to hold the model as it is growing. So the weight, you need to think about weight distribution. So it's best to automatically orient the model, and the preform is going to take care of that for you.
Okay.
So now it's calculating orientation. And while it's doing calculations, you cannot really do anything with that.
But you just flip the image in this. You can flip it anywhere, anyhow you want, right?
Yeah, but it's better to leave it into the
Yes.
automatic orientation. So,
Yeah.
like this one. So this is the recommended orientation. Then the next thing is to generate supports, which you can do here, and you can set some settings for it. So the density and the touch point size. The touch point size is going to be the point size where the supports are connected. So you're gonna see in a minute how is it going to look like.
I suppose this cannot be made using the addition, subtractive synthesis.
Yeah, it could be difficult because of the Cobra
And what about the base?
and the base also. You could make it out of multiple parts, but I think this is a good example of what cannot be really made. But this could be a multi-part thing also.
Okay. Right. So it's the
But
thing
it-
that goes through becomes separate.
Yeah, if you're thinking in terms of one piece, then this probably is not going to go.
The supports take a while to get generated.
Okay, so here, these are the supports. You'll have to remove them. Yeah, and touch
They look
points
like
are
icicles. That's
are
pretty
these
cool.
points over here.
The funny thing is they look like glaciers, so that adds even more meaning to this. Because this thing is actually
Yeah, you'll
Based on
be
glacier.
able to leave the supports afterwards, I guess.
wonderful.
So, and then you can lay it out. So on the top view, you can just position it wherever you want.
Wherever you want, yeah.
But yeah, like in the center, it's okay.
Yeah.
You can also even create duplicates. You can print two at the same time, mirror them and whatnot.
I see.
And then lastly, you need, so here it's also calculating the printability.
Mhm.
So printability is passing. So always, thumbs up. So that's good. And then you can go to the start a print part, and here is the selected printer.
Mhm.
Just upload the job.
Can it run overnight?
Yes.
Okay.
And it's generating the files and sending over to the printer. So these printers are connected with a cable, and so with the Ethernet cable. So and they have university allocated IP addresses. So they shouldn't lose the connection. So sometimes, so when we had them connected through Wi-Fi, so the IP addresses were dynamic, and it means that sometimes they would change, and you would need to find out the IP address on the machine in order to find it in the software. But now it shouldn't be the case. Now it's uploading. So uploading actually should go fast because there's a gigabit connection. So now when I connected the computers via cable, so we have 1 gigabit up and down speed. So it's like the Alta University is connected to some sort of secret satellite connection that has that 1 gigabit internet. What are you doing? So you want to make you want to solder LEDs in it. Oh, that's cool. Wow. Yeah, you're going really far with this. I'm really excited to see.
There is an upcoming exhibition in Latin Hospital, which I'm going to combine both courses, interactive course, and not to the teacher inside.
There, yeah. That's a nice place. I really love that hospital. I think I'm going to try to go for coffee So there's another nice coffee place. So I'm gonna try to go for coffee this weekend. So let's see. Yeah. So now I uploaded the print. Maybe let me connect the camera. So yeah, would
Or I can send you the video.
but now. So yeah, now when the print is uploaded, we need to switch over to the camera. Good.
How long does it take to print this model? One day?
I actually don't know. I think it's pretty fast actually.
Really?
Yeah.
Is there any calculation
Uh,
with the software?
I'm not sure. Is there any way to know how much time it takes?
Yeah, it should be. It should be here. So print time 11 hours, and here you can calculate also the price. So the volume is 65.78 milliliters. And if you multiply it with price, which is 20 cents, then you get 13 euros. And yeah, so let's try to connect this camera. Now, go to OBS, where I'll be able to see the camera. Here we go. Can you hold this one? Okay, down. So this is what we want to see. So straight.
Wow, you can see the model there. It's crazy.
Yeah, that's the thing. So here next to the print, yeah, when you upload the job, you can see here. And then it also instructs what to do next. So just have to press this print now button, and the printer is going to ask you to open the cartridge vent, which you can find here on the top. So in order to open it, press this lid so it pops open like this. So it's necessary for the air to flow through, so the resin gets into the tank. And yeah, then you can continue with the printing process like this. And yeah, so check the build platform. So you need to check whether the build platform, which is this top part over here, whether it's clean and flat. So every time you finish printing and you remove your print, you should make sure that you clean this platform thoroughly with isopropanol and install it back where it is, so the next person can start printing immediately. And then once you check these two things, you press confirm. It's going to start printing.
Have a stop motion.
No. So yeah, that's it. And now it's going to heat up the resin and start printing. And that's it. Yeah, for this tutorial, maybe we are going to add a picture with the object later.